Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the HTML and CSS files and placing them where the link can resolve. Open index. HTML, and inside the head, insert a link element with rel equals stylesheet and href pointing to your CSS file. Once done, save both files. Make sure the path matches your folder layout. Relative paths are common. This first step attaches the stylesheet and allows the browser to fetch rules. If you use a subfolder, include that folder name in the href. Now focus on what goes inside styles, CSS, and how the browser applies it. Define selectors that match your HTML elements, tags, classes, and ID so rules target elements precisely. Once defined, remember the cascade and specificity. More specific selectors override less specific ones, and later declarations win. Make classes for reusable styling rather than inline styles. This keeps HTML clean and makes updates simpler. If multiple stylish, finish by verifying the link works and styles apply. Open the page in your browser and refresh. Make a hard reload or clear cache if changes don't show. Next, use developer tools to inspect elements and view computed styles so you see which rule is active and why. If styles fail, double-check the href path, spelling, and selector specificity. A common fix is correcting a typo or increasing specificity. Once resolved, save and reload to confirm the final design is applied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.